No matter what you do, some people will always have to say something. You walk, they talk. You stop, they question. And if you will change your path, they judge. Sometimes they speak even when they don't understand what had what had happened. And listening to every voice slowly creates confusion. And friends, this story is for anyone who has ever felt lost, because too many people had too many questions. I hope you must have heard about this story before. So, based on these kinds of thoughts, I'll share very interesting story. I hope you will definitely like this story. So, please hit the like button. So, let's begin. One day, a man decided to go to market with his son and a donkey. And he decided to enjoying the quiet morning. So now they they started walking towards the market. After walking some distance, a stranger a stranger said, "Hey, what kind of fools you are? What kinds of fools you are? You have donkey, and what kind of donkey it is? If he can't carry, if he can't ride a boy." And he left away from there. Then that man thought for a while, and he said, maybe the stranger was right. So immediately he said to his son, son, you climb on the donkey. And and he lifted his son on the donkey, and he began his journey again. And you know and and they were walking slowly. After walking some distance, they passed with a large tree, from where a group of men were resting under that tree. Then one man shook his head, and someone said from the group, "Look at the lazy boy. His poor father struggled on the roads, and he enjoying the ride." Then, after listening all of this, he felt ashamed on him. That man felt ashamed on him, and he never want to listen negative things about his son. He never want to prove that his son is careless or irresponsible. So he said to his son, son, you get down, I'll ride. So his son came down, and he climbed on the donkey. Now again they start their journey. After walking some distance, they had walked little. Then they met with two ladies. One of them said, look at the man, and look at the boy. He's a small boy, struggle on the roads while his father enjoying the ride." Then, after listening all of this, that man's face grew red with anger, and he said, what is this foolishness? What should I do now? Then again he said to his son, son, you come with me. And his son climbed on the donkey in front of his father. Now they were walking together, beautifully enjoying the ride. Then you know what happened when they entered the town. People started notice and started looking at them differently. And one of them said, hey, look at the donkey. He is small and weak. And even then father and son climbed on the donkey. Look at the condition of donkey. And why they don't feel pity for him? Then, after listening all of this, again man felt ashamed on him, and both of them get down. And this time he thought, what should I do now? If riding is wrong, walking is wrong, and riding together is wrong, then what's right? What should I do now? After thinking a lot, he made a decision. both of them went to the jungle, and they cut a strong pole, and they tied donkey's legs with two ropes, and what they did, they 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 hang donkey on their shoulder with the help of that pole. And now they walked towards the market. They reached on a bridge. When they reached on the bridge, then suddenly donkey kicked strongly. Because of that, a rope untied, and suddenly that donkey slipped on the river because his legs were tied, so he was unable to swim. Because of that, water flow was very strong, so he drowned and flew away from there, and God died. Both of them were shouting loudly, but nobody helped them. Nobody helped them, and donkey died. And an old man was noticing everything. After some time, he came up to them and said, "Stop crying. This is happened because of you. You listen to everyone, but you never listen to your own heart. You never listen to your own voice. In life, no matter what you do, some people will always have to say something. You walk, they talk. You stop, they question. If you will change your path, they judge. Sometimes they speak even when they don't understand what had happened. So listening to every voice slowly creates confusion. So listen to listen to your own voice, follow your own path, and and do your all work according to you. When we try to please everyone, then we lost our happiness, and because of that, you have lost your donkey. Now that man understood a good lesson, and he decided that from now on he will listen his heart. He will never listen to anyone. So friends, this was the small story which I shared. We can learn from this story. We should always listen to our our own voice. We should do our all work according to our thought, our decision. So you can see it's late night. My baby is still playing. So he is so cute. Today is Guru Purnima, and what he did, what he do, what he does. He sleeps only with me. When I come, then immediately he wakes up, and he came here and he's playing with me. He enjoying it the night. It's about to 12. Even then he is playing. He's biting on my hand. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.